Hello students, today's session is on the chapter number 9 algebraic expressions and identities, finding the product of algebraic expressions, class 8th. So let's start it. Let's take an example. If there are 5 kids and you want to give them sweet, so and you want one sweet to each kid, so the number of sweet you require, that is 5, as you are giving one to each, so 5 into 1, that is equals to 5. Now let's take, if you want to give away them 3 laddus, so in this way you will give, so the number of laddus required, that is 5 kids are there and 3 to each one, so number of laddus is 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Now can we write this in the form of algebraic expressions? Yes, we can write. How? Let's assume that number of kids are y and number of sweets which you want to distribute them to each child is a. So the number of sweets required to give them is y into a, or it is equals to ay. So ay is the number of sweets required to give the children. So here we have understand the concept that algebraic expression also can be multiplied. Let's take one more example. In a classroom, if there are rows and students are sitting in the row, so let's take, this is the row number 1, row number 2, and this is the row number 3, and as we observe, there are 3 rows and 3 students are sitting in the row. So 3 rows and each row there are 3 students. So we can write the number of students in the class, that is number of rows into students in each row. 3 into 3, that is equals to 9. Now we can write this in the form of algebraic expressions as, if the number of rows are r and if the number of students sitting in each row is b, let denote r for row and number of students in each row is b. So total students in the class is r into b, that is rb. So rb is the product of number of rows and number of students in each row, that is rb denotes the product of the algebraic expressions. So here we understand that we can multiply the algebraic expressions. So how? Let's take here, if we multiply the monomial and monomial, as in the earlier both the examples we multiplied only the monomials. So 4y and 3y are the two monomials and we have to multiply them. So first of all we will multiply the coefficients of the monomials and then algebraic factors of the monomials. So let's start. 4 into 3, this is the coefficient of monomials, and y into y, algebraic factors of the factors of the monomials. So it will be 4 3s are 12y square. So 12y square is the product of 4y into 3y. Let's take one more example. 6m into minus 3p. So here again 6 and minus 3, the coefficients of monomials will be multiplied and then after product of algebraic factors. So 6 into minus 3 and then m into p. So here we get minus 18 mp. Now what if we have the 3 or more monomials? So for 3, same process we have to follow. We have to multiply the coefficients of the monomial and then we have to multiply the algebraic factors. So here it is 1 into 2 into minus 3, we have to multiply them, then x square into y into x. So 2 into minus 3, that will become minus 6, and here x square multiplied by x. So x appears here 3 times, as here it is 2 times and it one more time, so 3 times. So we can write minus 6 x cube y. So in this way we have to multiply the monomials. Now let's take example when we have to multiply monomial by the binomial. So example 4y and 3y minus 2. Monomial and binomial we have to multiply. So here this monomial multiplied by the each term of the binomial. So we will multiply 4y and 3y and the second term 4 minus 2 again multiplied by 4y. So here the product will be 4 into 3, this that is 12, and y into y, that is y square. So we can write 12y square minus 8y, 4 2 is 8, so 8y. 12y square minus 8y is the product of 4y into 3y minus 2. Similarly, if we have the binomial, both the binomials if we have given and we have to multiply them, so what we will do? Nothing. We have to multiply the first term of the first binomial multiplied by the second binomial, and second term of the first binomial multiplied by the second binomial. So let's take 6m multiplied by minus 3p minus a, and then second term 3a plus 3a multiplied by minus 3p minus a. So as we multiply monomial and binomial, in the same process we have to follow, and 6m multiplied by minus 3p, we get minus 18mp. 6m minus a multiplied by minus, we get minus 6am, and plus 3 multiplied by minus 3p, we get 3 into 3 minus 9a into p, and 3a into minus a becomes minus 3 into a square, as a is one time here and this one time more. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So here a square. So in the same way, if we have given the polynomials, that means more than 2 terms. So how we can multiply it? So let's take an example. X square y minus 3x plus 8y. This is multiplied by x square minus 3x. So now what we will do? In the same way, we will multiply any, if for example we are taking here, this is the trinomial and this is the binomial. So each term of the first polynomial will be multiplied the second polynomial. So we can write it as x square y multiplied by whole polynomial x square minus 3x. Similarly, minus 3x, second term of the polynomial multiplied by the full polynomial x square minus 3x, and similarly 8y is multiplied by x square minus 3x. Now remember, we have to place the signs, that is plus and minus. So x square y multiplied by x square here. So we will get 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. So x is 4 times multiplying here. So x square x raised to the power 4y we get, and x square y multiplied by minus 3x. So x is 2 time here, and again here it is 1 time. So 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. So we will write x raised to the power 4 minus 3 x square y. Now this minus 3x multiplied by x square minus 3x. So 3x, this multiplied by x square. So x is 2 time. Here it is 1 time. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 3x cube. Now this minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 becomes plus 9. And x is 1 time. Here it is 1 time. So x square, x is 2 times. Plus 8y multiplied by x square becomes 8x square y, minus 8y multiplied by minus 3x, so becomes 8 into 3 24, minus 24 y into x or xy. So this is the product of polynomial to the polynomial. So in this way we will multiply the polynomials, or we can say algebraic expressions. So let's take one example of the exercise 9.3. Question number 4. We have to given a simplify 3x, 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value at x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. So how we will do this? 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5. So this is 3x is the monomial and 4x minus 5 is the binomial. So this we have to multiply, then add 3 to the product. So multiply 3x multiplied by 4x and 3x multiplied by minus 5, then plus 3. So 3 into 4, that is 12, and x is 1 time, so it will become 2 times 12x square. Minus 3 multiplied by 5 becomes minus 15x plus 3. Now this is the simplification of the given expression. Now we have to find its value at x is equals to 3. Now what is the meaning of x is equals to 3 here? Finding the value at x is equals to 3. That meaning we have to put the given value for x in the expression and we have to solve further to get the numerical value of this given expression for x is equals to 3. So put the value x is equals to 3 in this expression. So 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So 12x in place of x we have to write 3. So it is 3 square x 3 square minus 15 x is 3. So 15 into 3 plus 3. 3 square is 9 and we get 12 into 9 minus 15 into 3. 15 3 is 45 plus 3. Now 12 into 9 becomes 108 minus 45 plus 3. Now like terms are 108 and 3 as both are the positive integers. So 108 plus 3 becomes 111 and 111 minus 45 becomes 66. So this 66 is the value of this given expression at x is equals to 3. That meaning when we put the x is equals to 3 in the given expression we get it is equals to 66. Now one more value is given, x is equals to 1 by 2. So again in 12x square minus 15x plus 3 we have to put the value x is equals to 1 by 2. So put the value 1 by 2 in place of x. So we get 12 into 1 by 2 square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So now here 1 by 2 square that is 1 upon 4. So we get 12 into 1 by 4 minus 15 into 1 by 2 becomes minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. And this now here we can if the values are cancelling, so we can cancel out. So it will 4 ones are 4 and it is 4 threes are 12. So we get 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Again this plus positive 3 and this is also positive 3, it will become 6. So we get 6 minus 15 upon 2. Now we take the LCM. LCM is 2. Then 6 upon 1 here. So this 1 divides the LCM 2. So how many times it will? 2 times, and 6 multiplied by this 2. So 6 2s are 12 minus 15 and 12 minus 2 becomes minus 3 by 2. So here we can say the value of expression at x is equals to 1 by 2 is minus 3 by 2. So in this way we have to solve the product of the algebraic expressions and finding the value for the given variable.